everybody! Today we will learn how to read stories. Today's story is The Cat Sat. Let's go! The Cat Sat, written and illustrated by Lynn Munsinger. Sam Cat sat. Go, Sam Cat. Sam Cat sat. Go, Sam Cat. Sam Cat sat. Go, Sam Cat. Sam Cat sat on the girl. The end. Think about the story. Why did the girl say, "Go, Sam Cat"? What was the best place for the cat to sit? How would you get the cat to move? Write a label. Draw and label a picture of the cat. Share your picture. Did you like the story? Let's do it!